If you're experiencing login issues with Neteller, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve them effectively. Follow these steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity, as passwords are case sensitive. Step 2. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes, browser cache can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try logging in again. Step 4. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy service, try disabling it. Some services may block access to Neteller, so connecting directly to the internet may resolve the issue. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Neteller's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue, and they will guide you through the resolution process. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues and access your Neteller account successfully.